was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling